or the analysis. Yeah. Okay. So so we saw this connection, right? So this two-sat algorithm, right? This randomized satisfiability algorithms. We said that this corresponds to some Markov chain, right? And we were basically looking at the properties of the analyzing this random two-sat algorithm is like analyzing the corresponding Markov chain, right? And recall that Markov chain, to understand the finite Markov chain, we have what is known as its transition matrix, right? Which is the probability, right? So this is this Pij, which is the probability. The entries are Pij, where the Pij is the probability that the Markov chain at just a minute. Markov chain at time step t is in J, given that in time step t minus 1 it is in I. Right? And we said that this corresponds to a random walk on the state space of the Markov chain, right? And where the edge weights are given by these probabilities, right? And what we were so if you want to think about this randomized two-set algorithm, what we have is this graph, right? So the graph corresponding to the Markov chain was this graph where you have an edge weight 1 for this forward edge, then all these edges have weight half, and so this the final state will have a self loop with 1, right? Because just to make it a proper Markov chain, we want to know what happens once you reach that state, where do you go, right? So you can have this uh, a self loop with 1, which means that once you get into that state, you remain in that state, right? And corresponding to this Markov chain, we have the transition matrix, right? Right, transition matrix is it tells you the distribution of the distribution that you get when you take one step, right? When the Markov chain evolves for one time instant, or rather when you take one step of the random walk on this graph, right? So in particular, if you take this Pij matrix and power it to m, right? This is the transition probabilities. Just a minute, just hold on. These are transition probabilities for an m step random walk, right? Suppose you do m steps of this random walk, what can you say about its probabilities, right? So that is what is captured in by the when you power this matrix, right? And what we have actually, when we have analyzed this algorithm, what we have said is, suppose we start from this vertex v0, right, and we are going to vn, right? So you start with an initial state. The state of the system is given by this vector, right? So you can say the vector is 1 followed by all zeros. Okay. This says that with probability 1, you are currently in the um, vertex v0, right? And what we've actually shown is that if you start with this vector, right, and then you multiply p with 2mn square, right? You do p to the multiply this vector with the transition vector p raised to 2mn square, right? Because we were, if you recall the 2-sat algorithm, we were running it for 2mn square steps, right? So if you run it for 2, if you take the power 2mn square power, then right, then the what we say is, what we have is that if you look at you, so you get a new vector, right? So when you do this multiplication, right, when you do this 2 square, what you have is a new vector. Okay, this is going to be the probability distribution over the vertices in the graph G, right, after this random walk has been done. And what we've actually shown is that this probability here, right, the final one for Vn, this is at least 1 minus 1 over 2 power n, right? For 2 sets, this is at least 1 minus 1 over 2 power n. Okay, so so currently I am facing some issues, technical issues at my end. I don't think I'll be able to continue this class for any longer. I'm not able to write very long before this system just freezes over. Okay, so I think I will stop the lecture for now. Okay, I want to say a few more things. So what I'll do is I'll record this the remaining part of this lecture and upload it on the YouTube, on upload it and send it to you. Okay, so once I do that, so today's the remainder of this lecture I'll record and upload. Okay, so we will stop this lecture for now. Okay, I have a few comments to a few things to some notices that I want to give you before you leave. Okay, just a minute. Can you just hold on? Okay, so this is regarding the